aside from the written consent, do you verbally agree to be on this documentary and show your face to the camera?
Yes.
Okay, I forwarded you the question beforehand para magkaroon ka ng background and content dito sa documentary and questions namin. So, ang first topic that we will go to is patriotism and love of country. So, first question, considering the current political events and responses of the people, how patriotic do you think modern Filipinos are?
I think modern Filipinos are very patriotic. We know naman what happened last election that a lot of younger Filipinos or what we call Gen Z or millennials that they support. We have Leni Robredo, we have Marcos. They have very different perspective. So I can say na they're very patriotic because alam nila kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa ating bayan.
So, going forward in time, like ngayon, di ba marami nagsasurface sa internet na info, especially political info about the Senate hearings and ano pa. Based doon sa mga responses ng mga tao, how patriotic do you think modern Filipinos are?
Oo, very patriotic nila kasi di ba we have TikToks and Facebook na kumakalat na they have their own reaction. Yung iba is ginagawa nilang katatawanan. Pero yung totoo is gusto lang nilang ipakalat yung mga information. Kaya ginagawa na lang nilang joke. Para hindi sila ma-red tag or something. Diba?
Like, they care, diba? They care. Kaya ginagawa nila ng effort na i-show yung interest or opinions nila about that topic.
Oo, kasi diba, tulad sa Showtime, di ba, ginagawang biro ni Vice. Pero yung totoo, gusto lang niya maging aware yung mga millennials para doon.
Yeah, I agree. So let's move on to the next topic. It's about concern over other citizens. I have two questions here. The first, do you agree that the minimum wage should be raised? Why or why not?
Yes, diba? If I'm not mistaken, alas 40 pesos lang per year na dadagdagan yung yung minimum wage. Pero yung pagtaas ng bilihin or inflation natin sobrang taas, di ba? Yung 5 to 600 per region, iba-iba yung minimum rate natin, di ba? Pero sa Manila, nasa 570 if I'm not mistaken. Di ba? Yung isang tao, halos hindi kakasya sa kanya yung 570 kasi di ba meron siyang essentials, yung basic needs. Oo, yung bills nila, yung rent nila, di ba?
Food.
Yung food pa, o paano pa nila mapapagkasya yung 570?
Ang take ko dito parang we, the people, parang di ba we should not keep up, the government should keep up. Di ba? Babaan dapat ang presyo. In the second question, in one word, express how the Philippines can lift itself from economic despair.
Yung youth talaga, yung makaka sa atin sa economy. Hindi natin kailangan ng charter change or what we call chacha para para mag-invest sa atin yung mga ibang bansa. Yung youth talaga na, ako kasi is naniniwala talaga na sinabi ni Dr. Rizal na ang pag-asa ng bayan is yung mga kabataan.
Yeah, nice answer. Let's move on to the next topic. The future of the nation. Dito, dalawang questions ulit. And the first is, the wars happening in the world right now are horrifying, needless to say. With the impending tension from China and the Philippines in the West Philippine Sea, do you think that the government is doing less to protect its people? How do you feel about what China is doing to the Philippines?
I feel a lot of emotion, anger, disappointment, sad. Diba? Kasi nakakasad, diba? Wala naman tayong ginagawa. Sa atin naman kasi talaga yun, diba? We all know naman talaga na Philippine Sea. Yun, diba?
Yeah.
Ayun, tapos naniniwala ako na yung government is less yung ginagawa na. Kasi diba, pwede naman silang makipag-usap ng maayos doon sa pagbobomba sa mga mangingisda natin, diba? Kaysa hindi naman natin need na makipaglaban. We need a proper communication muna before that.
Ikaw po namang spray na ng tubig sa sarili mong teritoryo. The next is, where should the Philippines mainly align with? China or US? Ito, considering the economic contribution of China to the Philippines and the security that America gives.
Sa akin personally, hindi natin kailangan makipag-alay with both. But for your question, di ba? I think mas ano ako sa USA, sa
Yeah.
United, di ba? Alam naman
Security.
natin, alam naman natin na NATO alay tayo, di ba? So sa USA talaga siya. Kasi di ba, paano ka makikipag-alay dun sa bansang wala kang ang ginagawa is binobomba ka,
Yeah.
na kinukuha yung mga territory na meron sa'yo.
So, ang America is the right or obvious answer.
For me, for
Yeah.
personally.
Next topic, improvement and mistakes of the state. How satisfied are you with the current administration? Is it like what you expected before? Give some insight about what improvement you witnessed and what more improvement to be done.
For me, sa president sa president, I think, hindi nyo ina-expect ko eh. Kasi a lot of people vote for Marcos last election because they think that kung gaano kasagana yung sinasabi nila before sa pangangalaga ng Marcos. Imagine right now, nanonood siya ng PBA, ginagamit yung mga I mean, I'm really disappointed with that. So, I think the improvement is not just because the president, but the Senate. The Senate hearings na yung mga Senado ba, hindi lang si Senator Risa, sila Tulfo.
Silang marami
Oo,
sila.
ang dami nila doon. Bakit iilan lang yung may pakit
Yeah.
sa ating bayan?
Yeah. Nice. And the second question, what one mistake that you feel the current administration did and how can you fix it?
Ay, doon lang sa mababa, no? Sa
Yeah.
pinaka-basic lang. Kasi, personally kami, is meron din naman kami bukid. So, doon ako sa agricultural sector. Diba, before siya ma-vote, sabi niya, rice is 20 pesos lang. Paano yun? Ngayon nga, palay pa lang, more than 20 pesos na siyang binibenta. Paano siya ibebenta ng bigas na? So, ayun, yung nakita kong mistake na na sa administration natin, may improve natin siya sa pagbibigay ng mga binhi. Kasi sa pagbibigay ng binhi right now is pili lang yung iba kasi yung talagang magsasaka, hindi sila nabibigyan. So, ayun, yung improvement, yung sa irrigation system natin, yun. And sa sa local market natin.
The next topic, valuing heritage, culture, and history. Culture is what colors our identity as people of the nation. Should more funds be allocated in developing and celebrating it more?
Sa akin, hindi natin kailangan more. Kailangan lang natin is mabigay yung tamang funds. Kasi, di ba, we all know naman the corruption here in the Philippines is talagang talamak siya. So, sa akin, hindi siya kailangan ng marami. Ang akin lang is dapat mabigay yung tamang funds para doon.
Last topic and question, upholding the truth. As we, the people of the Philippines, become one of the top consumers of social media, do you think that, on average, are Filipinos media literate? Why?
Average, I think, yes. Kasi, a lot of younger Filipino, yung mga, as in literal na bata talaga is marunong silang gumamit ng media. But, average lang kasi, hindi nila kayang i-analyze kung ano yung mga nasa social media talaga is kasi I think media literacy kasi is pag-analyze, sa social media.
So, for it, right?
Yes. Kasi a lot of people naman na kung ano lang nakita nila, yun na yun. Hindi na nila kailangan ng yung source na talaga. Ayun nakikita.
Yeah. Thank you for your contribution and answers. Thank you very much.
Tapos hindi pa daw na-play.
Uy!